देवो महेश्वरा गुरुर् साक्षात् परब्रह्मा तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः।
Morning all teachers and my friend. My name is Pranay Rahul Popalwar, 5th B. Our teachers are very kind and helpfully to us always. My teacher is very sweet and just like a mother to me. Teacher is one of the honorable jobs to every exit. On the 5th day of September month is recorded as Teachers Day every year. Thank you.
Hi ma'am, good morning ma'am. Topic Teachers Day. My name is Shyam Tejas Daki. 4B. Good morning, respected principal, teachers and all my dear friends. Today on the special occasion of Teachers Day, we are the year 2. Celebrated and pay a year who tirelessly work to answer that. They provide the best education to the dear students as we are the nation's future. Thank you, ma'am, all my dear friends.
Hi, my all teachers and my dear friends. Good morning. My name is Dipratna Vijay Popalwar, standard 5th A. My topic is the role of a teacher in my life. Speech. Most importantly, they guide the student every step of the way. They make this world a better place by enhancing student lives. Moreover, teachers are ones who play the role of so many peoples in a child life. They are a mentor, a parents, a friends, and more, which makes this all the difference one's life.
Hello everyone, I am Anastasia Darcy. Today, Teacher Day. Good morning is the best teacher, is that Kim teacher of teachers. And all my dear friends. In India, Teacher's Day is celebrated to honor the memory of Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan on 6 September. And this occasion of Teacher's Day is 1962. Teacher's Day celebrated in all graduation institutions where the teachers are girls. Give 5 students whose access DL to choose next. And it is one astronaut celebrated occasion. We wish you happy Teacher Day. All every teachers. Thank you. And Dr.
My name is Harsh Praveen Patil from standard 5B. My topic is if I were become a teacher. Teaching is a noble profession and being a teacher is it a true blessing. Teachers have a great influence on the lives of students. If I were to become a teacher, the first step I would take to make teaching more interesting and fulfilled so that students will be attend in class. Thank you. Bye.
Hi, my dear teachers and my dear friends. My name is Anjali Ayyappa Pujari. I am speech on my teachers. All teachers are best. All teachers are use English. All of friends also like everyone teachers. She is very loving on kids. Every teacher is very beautiful. Every teacher is teaching very cool. All teachers is very best. Thank you.
Good morning, teacher. My name is Sanskar Sachin Patil. I am in standard 4th A and today I am going to speak a topic, the role of teacher in my life. Class teachers play a vital role in their classroom and to all their students. She play multiple role in the classroom. A class teacher best role is to educate students with fun activity. A class teacher make their classroom safe and secure of their students. They set a warm and happy environment for their students. They become models, nurture and mentor students. A class teacher also listen and look for sign that you are in trouble. She focuses on the overall development of each of their students. Class teacher ensure every student understand the daily lesson. They guide and direct the path of their students. We celebrate Teachers' Day on 5th of September every year in India. 5th of September is marked by the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan and the Teachers' Day is celebrated in commemoration of his birthday along with beginning a successful leader in the form of the President of the country. Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan was a great scholar and excellent teacher. Thank you everyone and happy Teachers' Day to all teachers.
Good morning to all respected principal, teacher, parents and my dear friends. My name is Priyanshi Mangesh Jadhav, Standard 4th, Division B, roll number 11. Wish you all a very happy Teachers' Day. Teachers' Day is celebrated on 5th September every year in India. The first Teachers' Day was celebrated in India 1962 on September 5. It is the birth anniversary of Bharat Ratna recipient Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. Dear friends, we should always obey our teachers' order and follow their advice. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, respect principal, teacher and all my dear friends. My name is Joshi. I am 4th standard. My division is B. My topic is Teacher's Day. I wish you all a very happy Teacher's Day. We celebrate Teacher's Day on 5th September every year in India. This day celebrate on the occasion of the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. He was second president of India. He was ideal teacher and a great scholar. Teacher Day is best way for a student expect and love respect for their teacher. Teacher make our future bright. He help us to become good human being. On this day, I want to thank you to all my teachers, all the efforts and dedication. Thank you.
Good morning all teachers and happy Teacher's Day to all teachers. My name is Priyanshi Singha Tangaku, Standard 5th Division B. They all teachers and subject class is so interesting and so good. Happy Teacher's Day to all teachers and sir and principal. Thank you very much.
Good morning, respected principal sir, teachers and my dear friends. My name is Gauri Alinath Gadekar, Division A, roll number 3. Today is a Teacher's Day, so we celebrate Teacher Day on 5th September every year in India. 5th September is the birth anniversary of Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, who was second president of India. He was a great scholar and teacher. A teacher is a friend and guide of our life. A teacher takes a hand, open a mind and touching a heart. One book, one pen, one child and one teacher can changing the world. They guide us, they support us, they inspire us, they teach us. So all the teachers, thanks for you teach us. Thank you so much.
Thanks coming to our 5th standard A start. Day is celebrated on September 5 every years in honor of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishna. This day is celebrated to present the gratitude this day. On this are many fun are organized by the student in school, college and institute. Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishna become the father of India in 1960 to 1967. Thank you, ma'am. Teachers Day. Happy Teachers Day.
Ma'am, my name is Bhumika Tarvamevara. I am studying 5th standard English. In India, Teacher Day is celebrated to honor the memory of Sarvepalli Radhakrishna on 50th of September. And this honors of Teacher Day begin in 1962. Teacher Day is celebrated to in a all education in institute that the teacher are our hours and gifts by their students or express their thankfulness, and it one of the most celebrated honors. Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. And happy teacher day. Good morning, teacher. My name is Srishti Deepak Karnekar. I am 11 years old. I live in Panvel. I am studying in 5th standard Division B. My speech topic is Teachers Day. Teachers Day is celebrated on 5th of September every year in India. Teachers Day is celebrated on the birth anniversary of dear Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. It is a special day. Very dedicated to all the teachers. My teachers is very sweet, just like a mother to me. Our teachers are very kind and helpful to us always. Happy Teachers Day to all my lovely teachers. Thank you.
Name teacher, my name is Divya Raghuveer Singh Padvi, Standard 3B, Topic Teacher Day. Good morning to all the teachers and my dear friend. Today is 5th September. We are celebration Teacher Day. Teacher Day is birthday anniversary of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan was a great scholar, teacher and president of India. Happy Teacher Day. Thank you.
Standard 4 Division B, roll number 19. Good morning to all of your grade 3rd here to celebrate the special occasion, the Teachers Day. My favorite teacher is Anita ma'am and Anupama ma'am. Teachers are very kind and helpful to us always. My teacher is very sweet. Teachers Day is a special and important day. Teachers is us the guests who play an important role. The transformation on a student into a responsible citizen. Teaching is one of the honorable jobs to every ex. Thank you. Bye. To respect principal, teachers, and my all dear friends. Today is 5th September. We are celebrating Teachers' Day. Teachers' Day is the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan was a great scholar, teacher, and president of our India. This day celebrated to pay respect to all teachers. Teachers make our future bright. They are source of knowledge and wisdom. We should always obey and respect to all our teachers. And my all lovely teachers, happy Teachers Day. Thank you.
My name is Bhushan Sanjay, standard 5th. A very good morning to respect principal, teachers and my friends. First, I would like to wish all the teachers a very happy Teachers' Day. As you all know, Teachers' Day in India is observed on September 5th, the birth anniversary of the second President of India, Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. He was an excellent teacher who believed that teachers should be the best minded in the country. Thank you.
My name is Pati Sundaresh Shivankar from 3rd Standard B. Today I am going to speech on Teachers' Day. A very good morning all my respected teachers and my dear friends. Today's day is a special day for us. We can pay a special thanks to our teachers. Teachers' Day is celebrated 5th of September every year. 5th of September is the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. He was second president of India and great scholar and teacher. This day is celebrated with great joy and happiness in India. Teachers gives us knowledge and make us good human beings. Teacher are backbone of the society. I would to thanks to our teachers. In this pandemic situation, to being with us and not leaving us alone.
Good morning, teachers and sirs. Happy Teachers' Day. My name is Dhanashri Ravinaikar. Standard 5th A. My topic is my favorite teacher. A teacher is an important person in everyone's life. Teacher bring good education and lay a foundation for good habits. I have a teacher in my life how was important to me. My favorite teacher is Anita ma'am. She teaching computer. She has full canon knowledge for her subject. Her method of teaching is very interesting and comparison. She love all her students as his own children. She always wears simple and clean clothes. She is very learn with always. She very students. She like discipline and well disciplined students. She never make any distribute and difference between the students. She is never discourages any students. I have a great respect her because she always lead to the right path. I am very happy for having such a teacher in my life. Thank you.
My name is Amrita Prakash Sable, Class 4, Division A, Tokyo Teachers Day. Good morning to all respects, teachers, parents and my dear friend. Wish you all a very happy Teachers Day. Teachers Day is celebrated on 15th of September, very years in India, the first Teachers Day.
which was very in India 1962 on September 50. It is the birth anniversary of Maharashtra. Our happy Teachers Day. Thank you.
My name is Rami Jendra Patil, Standard 4th Division A. Respect principal, teacher and all my dear friends. I wish you all a very happy Teacher Day. We celebrate Teacher Day 5th September every year in India. This day is celebrated on the occasion of the birth anniversary Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. He was the second president of India. He was an ideal teacher and a great scholar. Teacher Day is the best day for students to express love and respect for their teacher. Teacher make our future bright. He help us to become human beings. On this day, I wish to thank you to all my teacher for all your efforts and dedication.
My name is Yash Gopal West. I am 6th standard. My topic Teachers Day. Good morning to all respected principal teacher. Wish you all very happy Teachers Day. Teachers Day is celebrated 5th September. Every year is India. The first Teachers Day was celebrated in India 1962 on September 5th. It is the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. He was a great president, a scholar and excellent teacher at the backbone of our society. Here, every teacher a reflection of is her student. Thank you all teachers and principal.
Good afternoon, respect teacher, parents, my dear friends. My name is Sarthak Dattatreya Same, a 5th standard Division A. Wish you happy Teachers Day. My topic is Teachers Day. Teachers Day celebrated on 5th September every year in India. It is the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. Teacher is the friend and guide of our life. Teachers play very important role in each of our life. Thank you.
Hello ma'am and my dear friends. My name is Suchit Rupesh Vishwa, Standard 3, Division C. Topic speech. My favorite teacher. The teacher is the best gift of God for children. All teachers are favorite, but Vijaya ma'am, one of my favorite teachers. She is my class teacher. She is very cool, simple and kind. Vijaya ma'am teach us EVS subject. She always smile and appreciate us. We like Vijaya ma'am because she teach us very well. Thank you ma'am and happy Teachers Day.
My name is Aryan Jaydeep Suryavanshi, Standard 3rd B. My favorite teacher name is
Anupama ma'am. She teaches us English. She is a great teacher. She speaks in a soft voice. She teaches us very well. I love my teacher very much.
Hi ma'am, hi friends. My name is Anjali Prajapati. Roll number 70, standard 5th. My favorite teacher is a teacher is an important person in everyone's life. Teacher bringing good education and one's life. Teacher bringing a good education and against the function for good habits. I have a teacher in my life who was important to me. My favorite teacher is named Dipali. She is teaching English. She is full of her subject. Their manner of teaching is very interesting and impressive. She loves all her students and whose children she always wears sleep and clean clothes. She is very learning. She always helps every student. She like displays and will display students. She never make arguments. Students she never not said students. I have a great reason for her because she always reads the very grateful for have such a teacher in my life. Thank you.
My name is Puri Shishir Gupta, Standard 3, Division C. Topic: my favorite ma'am. Teacher is the star who taught me how to shine. My favorite teacher, Vijay Lakshmi ma'am. He teaching you EVS. He also teaching you good habit and good value. He is very kind, cooperative, helpful, and loyal. He gives attention to weaker student in the class 4. Making that come clear. He is good friend for use. His idea teacher. Thank you. Happy Teacher Day.
Evening all teachers and sir. Teachers Day celebrated on 5th September. It is a birthday Dr. S. Radhakrishnan. He was a great teacher. The children offer flowers to his teachers. My name is Nikita Shirish Phatak, Standard 5th Division B. Topic: Teacher Day speech. Teacher Day is celebrated on 5th September. It is the birthday of Dr. Sarve Patil Radhakrishna. He was second President of India and a great teacher also. We thank you teacher for the play in your life. All students honor their teacher and hand gift a thumb has a token of respect. All third were stuck
indoor due a pandemic this year. You still can call and message your favorite teacher and your favorite teacher to wish them on this day. Thank you.
My name is Suman Pal. I am study 4th A. Good morning, honorable principal, requested teacher, and my dear friends. I speak few words of behalf. If I become a teacher, I will revise my topic before explain any subject, and I will be patient that teacher ready for the class. All students say good morning ma'am, good morning sir. Thank you ma'am. Always do hard work for us like books checking, paper making and lesson explaining. Thank you ma'am, you for everything.
My name is Disha Shishil Gupta, standard 5th B. Topic: my favorite teacher. My favorite teacher is Dipali Modi ma'am. She teaches me EVS subject. She always teaches use good habit and model value. She is very kind, helpful and loyal. She gives special attention to all the students in the classroom. She also clean our doubts and help use in other subjects. Also, she is a good friend. Also, she example all topic with real to our life so that we understood the topic clearly. She also give you new ideas and extra knowledge. Thank you.
Arya Sanjay Yadav, my standard 5th division B. A very good morning to respected principal, teacher and my friend. First of all, I would like to visit all the teachers. A very happy Teachers Day. As you all know, Teachers Day in India is observed on September 5th, birth anniversary of the second President of India.
Good morning teachers, my name is Madhu Mohan Singh, my class 5th standard, my division A. I am giving for 5 lines on speech. Teachers Day. Teachers Day is celebration on 15 September. Every year in India, it is the wedding anniversary of Dr. Radha Krishna. He was a great president, grand schooler and indul teachers. Are like every parents, friends and God. We should always
and we should always obey and respect every teacher's day. Teachers.